I'm Mike Henley here with Fine Airport Parking. Our full-service detailing center is one of the best-kept secrets in Tulsa. We offer a wide variety of services from car washes to full-service details, headlight restoration and windshield repair, as well as a wide variety of other services. Today, I'd like to give you a tour of our facility and show you how we separate ourselves from the competition. Let's get started. Now this is our wash bay. This is where the process begins. But before I go on, I'd like to talk a bit about our DI filtration system. We actually clean our water before we use it to clean your car. We filter out the minerals, calcium, magnesium, and other impurities that after the water dries can leave spots. We don't have to worry about that. You just don't see this at most operations. And we use a heated pressure washer system because we know that hot water cleans better than cold water. We use this to gently rinse away the accumulation of dirt and grime from your vehicle. Now, after your entire vehicle has been washed and rinsed, it's time to clay your paint system. This is detailer's clay, and it's designed to remove contaminants such as fallout, rail dust, and other industrial pollutants that make your paint rough and can actually damage it. When we're done, we leave behind an impurity-free, smooth paint finish. Well, now that's smooth. You're not going to have your car clayed at most detail shops or car washes. Great job, Josh. Go ahead and move it forward. Well, that does it for the prep wash bay. Let's move into the detail bay. Now, what really sets us apart here at Fine Auto Detailing are our technicians. They are trained professionals that know exactly what it takes to detail a vehicle. This is Josh, and this is Drew. Their knowledge is unparalleled. You simply don't find this degree of expertise in our industry. Drew, tell me, what's the purpose of compound?
The purpose of compound removes heavy scratches and heavy oxidation.
Polish?
The purpose of polish is to remove light scratches and light oxidation, as well as add shine.
What does True Cut mean?
True Cut means our compounds and polishes have no silicones in them, which means you're actually removing the scratches and not just concealing them.
Outstanding. Josh, what base is our premium dressing?
Our premium dressing is a water base, which means it's not going to rub off on your clothing. It's not like a real greasy feel, just leaves a nice fresh look.
Now, what base is our exterior dressing?
Our exterior dressing is actually a solvent base, which means when you're driving through puddles, it's actually going to resist that water instead of just rinsing off.
Outstanding. Now, you just do not see this level of expertise in the industry. We don't just give our guys a bucket and a brush and say, go detail a vehicle. These guys are true professionals. Thanks for the great work, guys. Keep it up. All right, now that we're about to proceed with the rest of the detail, I'd like to stop and show you some of the chemicals and towels that we use during the process. What you see here is our microfiber system. Each one of these microfiber towels has over 200,000 fibers per square inch. We use red on the dirty stuff, the wheel wells, the door jambs, that's it. Then we use the green on the exterior paint system, that's it. Then we use the blue on the glass, and then yellow on the interior rubber, plastic, and vinyl surfaces. When we are done with these, after we've used them, we put them in a color-coded laundry hamper system, and then they are washed separately to avoid cross-contamination. You do not see this anywhere else but here at Fine Airport Parking. This is all-purpose cleaner, and unfortunately, this is the chemical that most car washes and detail operations rely on to clean just about everything inside and outside of your car, and that's just wrong. Here at Fine, we have a professional-grade, high-quality chemical line. Each and every one of these chemicals has been pH balanced to clean and protect specific materials. Now, for example, this is our leather cleaner. It's pH balanced specifically for leather. It won't strip the essential oils. We also have our glass cleaner. It's ammonia-free, so it's safe on tinted windows. Now, we also have all-purpose cleaner, but we only use it on rubber, plastic, and vinyl surfaces. That's what it's designed for. If you take a look down here, we have our leather conditioner. This is what we use to replenish those essential oils that your leather needs to stay soft and supple. Now, this is definitely what separates us from the rest. We know exactly why, when, and how to use these products, whereas most operations simply don't. Now let me show you another way that we separate ourselves from the rest. Whereas most operations use high-speed buffers, which are notorious for leaving behind swirl marks, we don't. We use dual-headed random orbitals. They spin in one direction, orbit in the other. This reduced friction equals reduced heat buildup equals no swirl marks. We know that professional equipment produces professional results. Now here's something you see at most operations, and that's a vacuum used to vacuum your carpet and floorboards. But here at Fine, we take it to the next level. All of our technicians have brushes that we use to remove dust and debris from your nooks and crannies, door panels, center console, vent areas. Most operations simply blow that dust around. Here, you don't have to worry about that. Now let's talk about our hot water extraction process. The way this begins is first with a thorough vacuuming of your interior. After that, we shampoo and break down the contaminants in your carpet and fabric surfaces. Then we come in with our hot water extractor unit. Using water in the neighborhood of 210 degrees Fahrenheit, we shoot it into your carpet and fabric materials and remove it immediately. What this does, it removes the mold, the bacteria, the enzymes that generate malodors, as well as the dirt and grime, leaving behind a deep, cleaned interior that stays prettier for a much longer period of time. Now, no detail is complete without applying wax to your paint system. And just so you know, the type of detail package you choose will determine the type of wax we apply. We have several different types, from express carnauba waxes to premium carnauba wax, as well as our paint sealant, which happens to be the longest form of protection on the market. This is so because of the molecular bond that it produces with your paint system. So no matter what your needs are, rest assured we have you covered. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the tour of our detailing facility and now understand why we are the best in the Midwest. Thank you for your time, and again, I'm Mike Henley, and this is Fine Auto Detailing.